To perform Seihei Kiryō for others, a Reiki treatment for breaking bad habits, we will start with the person seated and we will join our hands in front of the heart to connect with Reiki energy. We will trace the symbol for bad habits, which you see on the screen, twice, and place one hand on the person's forehead and the other on the back of their head. We will maintain this position, transferring Reiki, for 10 to 20 minutes. Ideally, this treatment should be repeated frequently to address more resistant bad habits or addictions. If we experience intense sensations in our hands during the practice, we can trace the Chokurei symbol to enhance the flow of energy and support the healing process. To finish, we will bring our hands together in the Gaisho position and make a small bow before gently touching the patient's shoulder to indicate that the treatment is complete. Thank you very much for watching.